Good morning, evening, or afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Average Army Streaming 101 series. Today we'll be covering Streamlabs OBS for beginners. We will be assuming that you've never streamed before, and by the end of this video you'll have a simple stream set up with the game capture and stock alerts. The aim of this video is to get you started. If you are more experienced, we will be covering topics such as hardware, growth, custom alerts, camera effects, other streaming software, etiquette, and branding in future videos. First things first, we need to download Streamlabs OBS from streamlabs.com, link in the description. Go to the main page and hit the download button, and click the link that pops up on the bottom left. Just accept the default settings during install and run the program when complete. Once you have Streamlabs OBS loaded, we need to log in. Click the button on the upper right corner and log in with your streaming account. This needs to be done so that Streamlabs can get access to your chat and alerts, as well as change your stream title and game category, among other things. Next thing we want to do is figure out what bitrate you need to stream at. Think of this as how much data you are able to upload to the platform. The more you can upload, the better quality your stream can be. Go to speedob.me, link below, and run a speed test. Take note of your upload speed and return to Streamlabs OBS. The general rule of thumb is that your bitrate should be half of your upload speed. So if you have 12 Mbps upload, 6,000 is your target. If you have 8 Mbps upload, 4,000 is your target. But as a non-partner, you never want to go above 6,000. Now click the settings cog in the upper right of OBS and go to output. Change output mode to advanced and choose bitrate. The default bitrate is 3500. Change this to your bitrate. Next, click on encoder and change this from the default software X264 to whichever hardware option you have. This will reduce the load on your CPU and use a built-in encoder on your video card. This chip is designed to be specifically used for this purpose and will not impact performance at all. If you are running hardware NVE and CNU, be certain to tick the check mark for psychovisual tuning. Next, we will set up confirmation dialogues. Click the General tab on the left and scroll down to Output. Make sure you have Show Confirmation Dialog when starting and stopping streams both ticked. You will thank me for this later. Next, go to Video on the left and change your output scaled resolution to 1280 by 720. This will be imperative until you consistently get transcoding, as a lot of people are unable to watch 1080p without constant buffering. Next, go to Twitch and log into your account if you haven't already. Click your avatar in the upper right of the screen and navigate to the creator dashboard. On the left under settings, click channel and copy your stream key to the clipboard. Next, under the settings window in Streamlabs OBS, click settings on the left bar. Under your stream type, choose streaming services, and under service, choose your platform. Also choose the server geographically closest to you. Here you can input your stream key. This is an encrypted string that allows you to stream directly to your channel. Do not show this on stream. Next, you can hit done. Now we have a blank stream that can connect to your streamer account. The next thing we must do is actually set up something to stream. Exit out of the setup and look at your main window. Under the editor tab, look for sources in the bottom middle. This is where you'll set up the individual elements of your stream. Click the plus button and choose alert box under widgets. Name this as you choose. It's your main alert system for the stream and will tell you and your viewers whenever you get a follow, subscription, donations, etc. After naming the source, click add new source and leave everything as default for now. We'll be making custom alerts in a future video, and these will be fine for your first few streams. We now have an alert box to set up and need a game capture. There are two ways to do this, game capture and window capture. The best way is using game capture if your game allows it. This will keep people from seeing everything on your screen and allow you to only show the game, even when alt-tabbed out. To add a game capture, load your game you want to capture. Tab out of your game once it's loaded and hit the plus key again. Only this time choose game capture under standard. Click add source and name your game capture. I usually name them after whatever game I'm playing. Now click the drop down menu for mode and choose capture specific window. Under window, choose your game window and click done. Next, we will move your game capture to the bottom of the list so we can see the alerts pop up. To do so, simply click and drag it below the alert box. The thing to remember here is the bottom layer will always be below the top layer, so when adding multiple sources, you can layer them and choose which layers overwrite the others. Now that we have a game capture and alert set up, we are ready to set up our audio sources. Click the settings cog next to the desktop audio and choose properties. Here you will want to choose your speakers. Each setup is different, so choose the device you personally use here. Mine is Speakers Realtek High Definition Audio. While default will work, we do this in case audio settings get changed later somehow, and it will know what device to listen to. We now need to choose our mic aux device in the same manner. Click the settings cog beside it and choose your microphone device here. Mine is line in at front panel. Yours will probably say something like microphone. Now that we have audio set up, you are ready to try out your first test stream. Click the Go Live button in the bottom right of the screen and give your stream a title. Let's choose Hello World Test Stream and set our game category. Mine is Satisfactory, and choose appropriate tags. Next, choose Confirm and Go Live. Click the confirmation button here and congratulations, assuming nothing went wrong, you're now streaming for the first time. Be sure to keep your chat window visible at all times and reply quickly to gain followers. While no one is chatting, try and keep your conversation going. We will have a video on how to do this effectively later. Congratulations on your first stream. Hope it was a good one. Don't worry if you stream for 0 viewers at this time. Just use it to get comfortable with streaming. My name is Nobody and I am a Twitch streamer. There's a link to my channel down below where you can find my schedule if you have any questions. This video is brought to you by the Average Army Twitch community. If you're looking for a great group of people to learn from and make friends with, make sure to visit the official website also linked below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like and think about subscribing for weekly videos on streaming.